Does your lower face blend in with your neck? Over time, the size and shape of the jawbone changes, which can lead to a loss in the definition of your jawline. Voluma is a dermal filler used to restore a youthful shape by providing structural support. When used in the lower face, Voluma will restore a sharp jawline and give you a youthful appearance. The active ingredient in Voluma is a naturally occurring sugar that draws water into the skin to restore the volume you lose over time. The treatment itself is very easy and only takes a few minutes. We numb the skin before the treatment and use a vibrating distractor called the beauty bar during the treatment to keep you comfortable. The best thing about Voluma is that natural results are seen right away and you'll enjoy the results for up to 2 years. There is no recovery time after a Voluma treatment, so you can resume your normal activities right away.